Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 10th of July. I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on the euro against the dollar. What we'll see is that at the present time the euro is consolidating. There is resistance on the weekly chart at this level. There is a slight warning. We've got a non-confirmation on the RSI on both the daily and the 4-hour charts, but the 4-hour chart has actually consolidated to the moving averages, and so a little short-term spike may be expected. Let's look at the charts. So here we are on the daily, and you can see that we've had a good run over the last 2 weeks. The 20-day did give support even though we went below it, and it's now pushed back up. And you can see that there has been positive momentum throughout the rally. At the moment the RSI is at 60.6. On the RSI, there has been a slight confirmation in that the high that we reached on Friday, the RSI wasn't as high as it was on the 30th of June. So there's a slight warning there. However, you can see that there has been a pattern of this occurring on the consolidation here. For instance, on the 5th of June it happened, and yet we did continue upwards. So it's to be watched, but just keep it at the back of your mind for the moment. On the weekly, you can see that we're up against this level of resistance now, and this is the significant factor, I would say, for the euro, in that it's failed on numerous occasions to break above this 115, and really will it break this time? Well, let's wait and see. You can see that we've had a golden cross on the 20, crossing the 50, which is positive for the medium term. However, you can also see that that did occur back in April last year, and yet we did then fall off again. So let's just wait and see. Here the momentum's still positive on the weekly. The RSI is up at 66.87 and the MACD are also positive. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that we've pulled back already to the 20 and 50-day moving averages. They're now giving support and could even give a push up towards the 114.50 level over the next day or two. If that occurred, we could get a golden cross again as the 20 crosses the 50, and that again would bode well. RSI, here you can see again that we've had this non-confirmation, and we're now dipping down, and we've actually gone below 50. So we do need to watch this chart quite closely for any indication of a loss of momentum, which looks like it's occurring. If these moving averages don't hold on the moving averages, you then probably come back to the 113.31 and the 113.11 level where the next support levels are. MACD as well are now rolling over. So on the supports, resistance at 114.40 and 114.46, with support at the 20-day 112.91 and the 50-day 111.81. So that's been TA for Traders, looking at the euro against the US dollar. The key factors are that it's consolidating at resistance. There has been a non-confirmation on the RSI that we need to watch. On the short term, on the 4-hour, the index, the euro, is back to the support of the moving averages. They need to hold over the next couple of days, and they could even give a push up, but if they don't hold, beware that there could be a small amount of downside. Momentum does remain positive on the daily and the weekly. So thanks for watching this video from TA for Traders. Please remember these videos are for educational purposes only and are not meant as investment advice. Thank you.